Hello everyone! Let's eat banana guys. Filipino dessert. Mainit. Mainit pa bago lang luto. Binili ko ito sa Filipino store. Saba. Saba ang nakalagay sa plastic. Mainit. Ang anak ko, ang anak ko guys is si Jed kumakain ng banana, pero si Ted ayaw niya. Pero si Ted kumakain ng cassava at biko. Masarap ang caramel sa yung sugar niya ba, masarap. Yun din si Althea, kumakain siya ng mga dessert sa Filipino, pero mahirap pakainin ng vegetables si Althea. Pero ang twins, kahit anong vegetables kumakain sila. Sarap. Miss ko na talaga ito. Mga month na siguro hindi ako kumakain ng banana.
Oh, school day.
Pero si Aaron, hindi kumakain ito. Umuusok pa. Mainit.
How was school today? What did you do in school today? What did you do in school today?
Pero about sa Filipino food, kumakain si Aaron kahit vegetables. Kahit anong vegetables kumakain siya. Pero sa fish, takot siyang kumain. Kumain siya ng fish yung walang nang buto. Yun lang. Mainit. Banana nak. Umuusok pa. Yummy.
Oh, let me say it. That's what I saw.
Yummy. Nagtawa ko kay Aaron.
I took my obligatory one picture a year.
What? What's that?
Someone's license plate. I love Olympia.
Yeah.
Tell me you're Filipino without
Is
telling
that
me.
real?
Yeah, I just saw it. I literally just saw it. I took a picture of that like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, tell me you're Filipino without telling me you're Filipino.
That's funny.
Yeah, someone's license plate, their actual license plate. I love Olympia. That's their actual license plate, personalized. Tell me you're Filipino without telling me you're Filipino. That's amazing. I had to take a picture. I only take like 1 or 2 pictures a year.
License number guys na sa car nag-picture si Aaron. Ang nakalagay sa plate number sa car is I love lumpia.
Yeah, that's her actual real license plate. I had it customized. I love lumpia.
Is that valid for the plate number?
Yeah, you can get them personalized.
Really?
Well, you know how like my plates have like my a war medal from the war?
Well,
Of course, that's like for the state and stuff. Yeah, as long as like no one can have the same plate, right? So like
I will get more guys.
yeah, so if your license plate, it can only be so many letters, right? There's a
So guys, pang-apat na to. Pang-apat. So, shout out to my YouTube family, my aspirant family, my Bill Harris family, and the silent viewer. Thank you to all of you guys for supporting my small YouTube channel. And God bless you all and more success sa pag-YouTube. And salamat sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.